In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your quarter panel splash shield on your Hyundai Accent 1.6 liter. It's located in the back of the car in your wheel well. Using a 21mm socket, I'm going to take our lug nuts off. All right, we're going to take out the mud flap first by unscrewing the plastic grommet. All right, after you take that out, you can separate this out, these two plastic pieces with this fastener. All right, and now we're going to move to the side. All right, now you're going to use a Phillips screwdriver. And you're going to undo these. And you can set that aside. All right, so now we're going to undo these. And then you have a nut here. You can probably just get it with your fingers. And then we're just going to pull this out like that. All right, so we're going to position this into place. Line up that stud, make sure it's where it belongs. I'm going to put this behind. You're going to put your nut on here, and just hold it in place, and start lining up your plastic grommets. All right, now we can put our grommet in here. Now we can put these bottom screws in. You may need to reach up from behind and make sure everything is lining up. Since you're going through about 4 layers. So just hand start it at first. And we can tighten those down once you line them up. And then we're going to do these two on the bottom. All right, so we're going to line up our holes here with the liner and the mud flap. And we're going to push this pin down through the top. Gives you a little access point. Once you get that through, you can push your screw pad through, lock it in. And now we're going to use our plastic grommet going the other way, up into the car, and we'll lock it in with its middle part. All right, we're going to put our wheel on. Set our lug nuts by hand. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to tighten up in a crisscross manner. Walk your wheel on, that bottom one. Using a 21 millimeter socket, we're going to torque our wheels to 80 foot-pounds. In a crisscross manner.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.